Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka kinhun yule kai SP office klayo ra ka nam Lahduh hadir mekala ban penlim no ya kinhun yule kai police reserve hakelempung yule kai WR Nongspung Memorial Cricket Tournament blepenlong da East Khasi Hills District Executive Force Shillong Hamadan Law Sotun Shillong hakash potru uyayong arhajar arpunriu Hakini ngi lasa khilang du Deputy Inspector General ka Eastern Range VS Rathor ublalong ko mukangsan WSP ki East Khasi Hills suba Vivek Sim urang ba shnong kalau sotun ke kemi uba WR Nongspung bat ki bahi ngasem bat ki wei ka kin hunye lek kai SP office ke belayo ra ka nam job kalayo khori ka song pisa ke bakat ar hajar tingka bat ke trophy kat ba kin hunye lek kai police reserve ke belawan baar kalayo khori ka song pisa ke pra hajar tingka bat ke trophy nalo kini la samru ke khusnam man of the tournament but man of the final
Kundang akalnya sedang diumta sidang bu singkem mau pe nurengan ada keburam sepi kom kini punya aja kini kampung kikun lalu air ngau kom mengajar punya pila ile bahas pila ile bahaya kini kelada kemudian seperti sidang bu singkem mau pe kelada ile bahaya kini place wood fi sagoro gadon ai ku lay fi ulay nang ko nang ko apinang trade ka kam subha ulay
memorial tournament, cricket tournaments that we've had on behalf of our martyr, one-star Roy Nongspung, who lost his life in 2001. He was a hero. He was part of the special operation team and died in an encounter in 2001, sir. Today, amongst us, we have people from the Thana, people from the reserve, people from the special operation team, and we all thought that the tournament should be named in the name of our martyr, one-star Roy Nongspung. And in his honor, we will continue this tournament. So we would like you to be with us for the next running tournaments also for football and volleyball. Since this brings about, what I've seen is brings about a lot of camaraderie amongst us. I can see the bonding just among the SP office team with our additional SP traffic and all our boys. There's no more rank anymore. There's just brethren, there's brotherhood, there's bonding. And it's nice to see that everybody is here actually. I'm slightly worried about the city and the traffic right now because everybody seems to be here and totally have enjoyed this exhilarating match. I'd like to express my gratitude to Srimati Trisimai Nongspung, mother of one-star Roy, who is here with her son also and other family members. Thank you for gracing this occasion. Your son didn't die in vain, and his memory will always remain etched in our hearts. We love to recommend, but as you saw more, if he, Ekibahir Masem, Ekimej Wastar Roy, Nongspung, but Kibahir Masem, but don't know what even book at a ticket mouth, ye happening a poor room. But because you have to eat cut issue later a but in yai ke mau I kapor sapor but kani ka tournament ru ni bo kar pag hi bandar ka ke mau I to umrei kan ikat pati apne.
First of all, I would like to congratulate SP East Khasi Hills to initiate this tournament. Though it's a very small gesture, but still, all good things start with a small gesture. I'm told he lost his life way back in 2001 during an operation with one of the militant groups. It must have been a very painful 25 years for the family. And at the same time, 25 years of immense pride, professional pride for us, because we also are part of the same force which has fought gallantly all over these years in all parts of the state. From my side, I would like to contribute a running trophy, a winner trophy, so that this tournament gets organized every year and the trophy keeps running from one year to other year and be placed at a place maybe befitting to the stature and the honor of the martyr, maybe in police reserve or SP office. The district can take a call, but I would like to contribute that running trophy. Napoleon Bonaparte once said, "It is the cause, not the death, which makes a martyr." So Mr. W.R. Nongspung lost his life for a cause. And today, by playing cricket, this tournament, you are in a way furthering that cause. The kind of camaraderie, the brotherhood, the informal relationships between various thanas and units of East Castles, and I'm very sure some other units also participated which are not part of the DEF. So that camaraderie and brotherhood, it's very important to further that cause for which the martyr sacrificed his life 25 years back. Many, many congratulations to not only both the finalist teams, but all the 14 teams who participated in the tournament. And I would further request the district SP to not only cricket, extend these tournaments to other sports also. Meghalaya is lucky to have a sports culture, music culture. So you can plan many more events and tournaments on similar lines, because we do a stressful job day in, day out, 24/7. Sometimes we forget to smile, to laugh, to have a light moment with our colleagues. We are so much in tension and all kinds of pressure that we sometimes forget how to live. So these tournaments are very important to bring our lives back. And obviously, if you are happy here, that will reflect on your family life, your children, your wife, your parents, everywhere. So congratulations to both the teams, especially the winners. Hard luck, Police Reserve, though I was supporting you. You lost because of your own mistakes. And the mad guy, this morning star Khongvir, he is now afternoon star also. So congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Tom. Check. There's a contribution made from the family side of WR Nongspung towards the prize for this tournament. Okay, so sir is also part of the team. Congratulations, sir.